modern manufacturing environments, fully automation is no longer just about efficiency. It is essential for maintaining stable production amid labor shortages and rising costs. This production line features a fully automated servo-controlled weighing and packaging system. From bag feeding and opening to precise filling and sewing, each process is seamlessly integrated to reduce human error and ensure consistent operation. After packaging, mechanical push devices and a sensor-based queuing system regulate the flow, preventing congestion and downtime while keeping the line running smoothly. Robotic arms then automatically pick and stack the bags onto pallets. Once completed, pallets are discharged and wrapped, while the next pallet is positioned for continuous operation. If any part of the line is not ready, the system can pause and resume in real time, preventing error accumulation and maintaining full control. The entire line can be flexibly integrated with upstream and downstream equipment, ensuring stable performance even under changing production demands. In terms of manpower, only basic tasks such as material refilling and bag loading are required. After pallet wrapping is completed, operators use forklifts to transport the finished pallets to the storage area, significantly reducing overall labor burden. This not only lowers operational costs, but also improves delivery reliability, helping manufacturers stay competitive. When your production line runs reliably on its own, your business can focus on what truly drives growth.